Hello lovely viewers, it's your girl Christy aka Niki CH and welcome to the Matagag Roni Obetimi Akan. Yes, can the white speak my dialect? If you really want to know, follow me. Welcome to the Matagags. Hi, please what's your name?
Hi, I'm Shar.
Shara, do you have a nickname?
Yeah. Shar.
Shar, nice. Shar, can you read my dialect?
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Yeah. Ɔkyerεkyerεni Pa. Me anijepi. Kafra. Me awereho. Pise meretrere. Usa karata ye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, please what's your name?
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Sarah, do you have a nickname?
A nickname?
Yeah.
My Moroccan friends call me Habiba.
Habiba, nice name. And can you read my African dialect?
Okay. Ɔkyerεkyerεni Pa me anigie P kafra me our chok Pisa very vosa krata yi.
Okay. Hi, please what's your name?
My name is Sonia Phoebe.
Sonia Phoebe, do you have a nickname?
Sorry?
I'm sorry.
Do you have a nickname?
They call me Nancy.
Nancy, nice. Can you read my dialect, this one?
It's about to go down.
ƆkyerεkyerεniPa.
Jesus! What do you say?
ƆkyerεkyerεniPa.
Continue. No problem.
Me anijepi kafra me awersku pise meret riu sa karat ye.
Okay. Hi, please what's your name?
Miri.
Miri, do you have a nickname?
No, that's my nickname. My full name is really long.
Okay, what is it?
Mehrangis.
Okay. Can you read my dialect?
12 seconds later.
ɔkyerεkyerεni Pa.
What is that?
ɔkyerεkyerεni Pa. Anige P. Kafra ma. So that's Hey bro, this is on this. Our job is meretwere wosa krata ye.
Okay.
Okay, now I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Nah, I got it. All right, I got it.
Hi, please what's your name?
Yusra.
Yusra, do you have a nickname?
Yus.
Yus, nice. And can you try reading this, my dialect?
Okay.
Look at it.
ɔkyerεkyerεni Pa.
That's the way you talk. Repeat them again.
Me aniki P. Kafra me awersho. Me awersho.
How are you telling me this? Continue. No problem.
Pise meret were usa kratai.
Okay.
Who are the storyteller? Are you sure?
We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all option so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment and share.